Good morning, students. Today, in our economics book, we will learn the chapter Poverty as a Challenge. In this chapter, we will come to know about the definition of poverty, types of poverty, poverty as seen by social scientists, social exclusion, vulnerability, poverty line, poverty estimates, vulnerable groups and vulnerability, interstate disparities, global poverty scenario, causes of poverty, anti-poverty measures, and the challenges ahead us. Definition of poverty. Poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to get the minimum basic needs like food, clothes, shelter, medical facilities, education, etc. But it is very complex to define poverty because it depends on multifaceted and multidimensional elements like region, era, geographical condition, circumstances, and many more. On the basis of social, economical, and political aspects, there are different ways to identify the type of poverty like absolute poverty, relative poverty, situational poverty, generational poverty, rural poverty, and urban poverty. In our chapter, we will keep more concentration over rural and urban poverty. Absolute poverty is also known as extreme poverty or abject poverty because it involves the scarcity of basic food like basic things like food, clean water, health, shelter, education, and information. Relative poverty is defined from the social perspectives, that is, living standard compared to the economic standards of population living in the surroundings. Situational poverty is a temporary type of poverty based on occurrence of an adverse event like environmental disaster, job loss, or severe health problem or any epidemic. We call it to be generational poverty when poverty is handed over to individual and families from one generation to the other generation. This is more complicated as there is no escape because the people are trapped in it, its cause, and unable to access the tools required to get run out of it. Nearly two generations facing that poverty problem are called generational poverties. Rural poverty. It occurs in rural areas with population below 50,000. It is seen that in these areas where there are less job opportunities, less access to services, less support for disabilities, and quality education opportunities, people are tending to live mostly on the farming and other manual work available to the surroundings. As the rural poverty rate is growing and has exceeded the urban rate every year since data collection began in 1960s. The difference between the two poverty rates has averaged about 5% for the last 30 years, with urban rates near 10 to 15% and rural rates near 15 to 20%. That has caused unemployment amongst the village farmers also. That's why poverty is increasing in the rural areas. Urban poverty. It occurs in the metropolitan areas with population over 50,000. Some major challenges faced by the urban poor are limited access to health and education, inadequate housing and services, violent and unhealthy environment because of overcrowding, little or no social protection mechanism. Social scientists look poverty through some indicators like levels of income and consumption of goods, illiteracy level, lack of general resistance due to malnutrition, lack of access to healthcare center, lack of job opportunities, lack of access to safe drinking water, sanitation, etc. Poverty often leads to social exclusion. What is social exclusion? It is a process through which individuals or groups are excluded from facilities, benefits, and opportunities that other general people enjoy. Now, what is poverty line? Poverty line is an indicator of poverty. It is a level of income which barely meets sustenance. It is a common method used to measure poverty based on the income or consumption level. It may vary with time and place. The poverty line is estimated periodically by conducting sample surveys. The daily income and consumption method are used to estimate the poverty line in India. For determining the poverty line in India, a minimum level of food requirement, clothing, footwear, fuel, light, educational and medical requirement, etc. are determined for subsistence. These physical quantities are multiplied by their prices in rupees. The present formula of food requirement while estimating the poverty line is based on the desired calorie requirement. Food items such as cereals, pulses, vegetables, milk, oil, sugar togetherly provide the needed calories. The calorie may vary from urban areas to rural areas. The accepted average calorie requirement in India is 2400 calories per person per day in rural areas and 2100 calories per person per day in urban areas. Since people are living in rural areas engage themselves in more physical work, calorie requirements in rural areas are considered to be higher than the urban areas. The poverty line for a person was fixed at rupees 816 rupees per month for the rural areas in the year 2011 and rupees 1000 for the urban areas. Despite less calorie requirement, the higher amount of urban areas has been fixed because of high prices of many essential commodities in urban centers. A uniform standard for poverty line is also used, which is given by international organizations like the World Bank. This is equivalent to $1 per person per day. In the next video, we will discuss about the remaining topics.